How to use tener phrases in Spanish. Repeat after me. Repite después de mí. Tener, to have. The verb tener means to have. In Spanish, it is used to say things like Tengo un libro, I have a book. Tenemos unos libros, we have some books. But it is also used in phrases we call tener phrases that look like this. Tengo calor, I'm feeling warm or hot. Tenemos calor, we are feeling warm or hot. Keep watching to learn more tener phrases and see how they work. Tengo calor. Tenemos calor. Tengo frío. Tenemos frío. Tengo hambre. Tenemos hambre. Tengo sed. Tenemos sed. Tengo sueño. Tenemos sueño. Tengo miedo. Tenemos miedo. Tengo prisa. Tenemos prisa. Great job today! If you like this practice, check out our next video. Do not forget to like or subscribe for more beginning Spanish. Gracias!